In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image for use in Notion, even though Notion doesn't have built-in image rotation tools. Let's start with the key idea. Notion doesn't currently let you rotate images directly inside a page. That means if you drop in a photo that's sideways or upside down, there's no button in Notion to fix it. Instead, the solution is to rotate the image outside of Notion first, using your computer or phone, and then bring that corrected version back into your workspace. Begin by locating the original image file that you used in Notion. This might be in your Downloads folder, your desktop, a project folder, or your phone's camera roll. If you don't have the original anymore, you can right-click the image in Notion and save it to your device, then work with that file. Next, open the image in any basic image editing tool on your computer or phone. On a computer, this could be the default photo viewer or a simple image editor. On a phone, open it in your regular Photos app. Almost all of these tools have a rotate option, usually represented by a curved arrow or a square with a turning icon. Rotate the image until it's oriented exactly how you want it to appear in Notion. Take a moment to double-check it's not just rotated, but also framed the way you like, since this is the version you'll be using going forward. When you're happy with it, save the changes. If you want to be extra careful, you can save a copy instead of overwriting the original, but that's up to you. Now go back to your Notion page. Find the image block you want to fix. Hover over the image so the small menu appears. You can either delete this image block and add a new one, or, if Notion shows you an option to replace the image, use that to keep the same spot in your layout. Upload the newly rotated file from your computer or phone. Once it finishes uploading, Notion will display the corrected version in your page. If needed, adjust the size or reposition the block so it fits nicely with your content. From now on, whenever you need an image rotated in Notion, just remember, rotate and save it on your device first, then upload or replace it in Notion with that correctly oriented version.